Hello, I'm Shivani, your English coach for classes 10th and 12th CBSE. Today I'm going to discuss the poem Fire and Ice by Robert Frost, one of the most celebrated and prominent American poets. Fire and Ice is a very short poem with a strong message. I'll read the poem and then explain the poem. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Frost says that when we talk about or predict how this world is going to end, there are two sets of opinion. Some people say the world will end in fire. Everything will burn in fire, the world will be engulfed in fire, and this is how it'll end. The poet says that from his experience, he feels that there is so much greed, desire, and lust around. These emotions have made people very selfish. One day the world will perish under these self-destructing and negative human emotions. Fire here symbolizes greed, lust, desire, and avarice. These emotions are capable of destroying the world. Poet agrees with those who say that earth will end in fire. The poet further says, if the world had to be destroyed twice, he thinks ice was also capable enough to destroy the world. He has seen enough of hate around which could destroy the world. Frost has used ice to convey the emotions of hatred, insensitivity, lack of warmth, or love for others. He says when these emotions will rule the world, very soon an end will come. Therefore, fire, which symbolizes desire and greed, and ice symbolizes hatred, are both competent enough to end or destroy the world. फ्रॉस्ट कहते हैं कि कुछ लोगों का मानना है कि वर्ल्ड फायर में ख़त्म हो जाएगा. पोएट ने अपने आसपास ग्रीड या लालच और डिज़ायर जैसे इमोशंस देखे हैं. पोएट ने इन इमोशंस को फायर के साथ कंपेयर किया है. जब इन इमोशंस की आग दुनिया भर में फैल जाएगी, उस दिन इस दुनिया का अंत हो जाएगा. पोएट उन लोगों से अग्री करते हैं जो कहते हैं कि दुनिया का अंत फायर में होगा. पोएट ऑल्सो सेज कि अगर वर्ल्ड को 2 बार डिस्ट्रॉय होना पड़े तो उन्होंने अपने आसपास लोगों में इतनी हेट्रेड या नफ़रत देखी है कि जो वर्ल्ड को ख़त्म करने के लिए काफ़ी है. पोएट ने आइस को हेट्रेड या नफ़रत को सिंबलाइज करने के लिए यूज़ किया है. Now let's look at the main points. The theme. According to some people, world will be destroyed by fire, and according to others, it will be destroyed by ice. Fire symbolizes the destructive human emotions of obsession, and ice represents hatred and frigidity. Both these emotions are capable of destroying the world. Rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme is ABA, ABC, BCB. Poetic devices. The figures of speech used are alliteration, which means the repetition of consonant sound. So the sound of F has been repeated in favor, fire, and W sound has been repeated in will. Assonance means repetition of vowel sounds in same line. For example, I hold with those who favor me. We can see the repetition of O sound. Paradox. It's a self-contradictory statement or a statement that is contrary or opposite to one's expectation. For example, but if it had to perish twice. Personification has also been used. Fire and ice have been personified. Symbolism. Fire has been used as the symbol of desire and ice as the symbol of hatred. Enjambment. When the same sentence is continued to the next line. For example, for what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. I hope you have found the video useful. Please give it a like, send me your comments, and subscribe to my channel. Check the description box for more details and notes. That's all. See you soon. Bye-bye.